Drink water.
Drink water every day.
Look at the view.
Our place here is very peaceful. No traffic. You know, our province is there's so many trees around and no more traffic, less pollution, and as you can see, only few people are moving around because now it's our school days here, but still it's summer.